Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Best Buy detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in Best Buy is an opportunity that requires careful consideration. First, assess your financial situation. Determine how much you are willing to invest. Research Best Buy's financial health. Look into their earnings reports and recent market performance. Familiarize yourself with the retail industry trends. Check how Best Buy compares to its competitors. Set up a brokerage account if you do not have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform. Complete the necessary paperwork and fund your account. Decide on the number of shares you want to purchase. Review Best Buy's stock price for the day. Place a market order or a limit order as per your strategy. Monitor your investments regularly. Stay informed about any news related to Best Buy. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes. Evaluate your investment periodically. Adjust your portfolio if needed based on market trends. Always be prepared for market fluctuations. Keep a long-term perspective on your investment. Continue learning about investment strategies and market dynamics. Remember, patience is key in investing with Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.